Well, hello. Here we're back. Day two of back testing the strategy, hyper-scalping. And the reason why I'm doing that is that I had some really good numbers that I put on for 3 months straight, almost 3 months straight, 6 days short. And look at this run. Capped all the small, all the losses small, very further apart, like 33 winning days, 4 losing days. That's insane. I was trading that very small size, 9 shares, 27 shares, 45 shares, 100 times less than my future intended size, which is 900, 2700, 4500 or more. If I so therefore I made 100 times less than I would have made 20 grand if I had played full size. I mean, of course, here and there fields will be different, but you get the idea. Uh, it's an amazing thing that I was able to do, and it proved to me that if I follow my rules, I was doing right, and the hyper scalping technique works, but it won't work if I don't follow it. So what I'm gonna do is try to recreate that again. But now, as I'm working on demand allows you to go back in time and choose a stock that you know that moved. I don't know if it moved up or down. You don't know where it goes. I have not looked at this before. I mean, I did look at all the ones I have on the list. I have like a list of 12, which I'm going to add to the description with the date and the ticker of which those tickers moved. So you guys can go in there if you like and use those to actually train as well. So I did see it, but it was too long ago, so I don't know what's going on here. So I just pulled this up, and it would just defeat the purpose if I am lying to myself and looking to see exactly what this is going to do. But anyway, let's go. I'm going to try to. So I'm back to May 10th, 6:20 in the morning, which is because I am a Pacific time, so this is 9:20. So I usually play and I give myself 10 minutes of this going to mark all the levels because I don't want to pause it and have all the time in the world. So I want to keep it as realistic as possible. So low 240, high 270. Oh, wait a minute here. So I'm sorry, guys. Actually, I had to pull something else up because that was under View app, and also that was the stock that I actually did a review yesterday. So that was the day one. So I couldn't play the same stock. Anyway, so let's go to trace the levels here. I got the 5 minute chart right there. Um, this is September 9th. So I'm going to get some levels figured out here. So this is the high of the day, pre-market high. I usually put red. I'll mark this real quick. Low 378. Just marking some levels. Let's go to the daily chart. See how this looks. Daily chart. Whoa, there's like a stock split 12. Let's see. I don't think I'm going to be able to actually get you on this. I don't know what's that. 588. Okay, 314. I want to remove that. 478. Okay, so the high of this candle is 596, which is already gone. High of this candle is 744. And by the way, this doesn't allow you to trade pre-market, so I'm not worried about the pre-market moves. It's already going up as I can see. So 620. Okay, high 890. I usually trace only the really distinct pivot points, you know. High 890. I don't go in every single candle because I feel like that is kind of a waste of time for me. But maybe I'm wrong. You guys let me know. 984. High. 984. And man, if you go by that, the next high is 1836. So what I'm going to do is mark this bad boy right here blue, because that will tell me that my friend, there will be no resistance from that point on. So okay, 200 moving average is way above because of probably the split. So this thing is going up hardcore. So let's see what this does. Low 558. I sure wish I could come in pre-market, but that is not allowed. We had a pretty big volume candle here with 300,000 shares pre-market. That's huge. I mean, I wouldn't say if it's huge, but you know, something to pay attention to. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go, now that I feel like I'm ready, I'm going to just skip to a little closer to the bell. I'm gonna go 28, see what happens. It takes a little bit to load. See, it always does that glitchy thing. Let's see. Oh, by the way, and again, reminder, it's an awesome way to train, but the thing is, does not allow you to get into the trade on the first candle. So that's one thing about the on-demand that kind of holds you back a little. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go a little bit half size of my full size because I don't know, too much volatility at first. Let's see. We're on the front side of the move. Let's see what happens there. $15 seconds to open. I can't use my hot key, so that's kind of a bummer. Okay, we are there. I'm not even gonna worry about buying now, because look, if you try to buy, it doesn't fill. Okay, so on the first second, that clock is over here. On the first second of 6:31, that's when I can come in, if it makes sense. I don't care if it doesn't, you know. High here, 686. I like to keep the pivot points very, very visible. Seems like 6 will be a good dip buy. Let's see. Spreads are a little weird. Ooh, big wall, 641 removed. 10 seconds. Buyers are holding right there. So top and tail. Ooh. There you go. Test 686. I gotta get on this rhythm. The rhythm of this stock. 659 was the pivot. Low of the candle, 640. Ooh, that was a whip. 640. This is too wild. I'm gonna let it sit for a sec. Unless I see a nice bid. There you go. 69. There you go. Okay, that was a good bid. I'm gonna size up a little. That's my problem. I don't know when to size up. High $7. Let's see if that gonna break. 693. Ah, of course not. Size down again. Try to catch that. 9 seconds for the next candle. Oh man. Bad feel. I don't have a good feeling about this, but I'm gonna get out of there. So break even, 0 for the day. Okay, 0 for the day. It's 44. See if we claim 650. The bid's not coming up. Ooh, big wall. I think it's gonna go, guys. 59. I'm gonna take that. Bottom and tail. Out. Hopefully we'll hold 650 the bid. Nice. I'm going to try to hold this for the apex point of 681. He might bust. I'm out. Okay, 166. He retested the highs of 7. I don't know if he's going to go to 7. But it surely wants to. Let's see. This is a little too crazy here. Ah! What was that? I couldn't even. Whoa. I don't understand what happened. Sometimes it glitches big time. That was kind of like a glitchy situation there on the TOS. I don't understand what happened. I'm going to take that right on the 7. A lot of congestion on the 7. Bottoming tail. Let's see if it goes. See if it pops. Yeah, I'm going to take that because you never know, man. He's trying to break 7 so hard. There's that big wall right there. I think buy the dips here. Don't like that. Let's go. Right under. Let's see if he breaks this time. He wants to. I think we got. Held it too long. Gotcha. I don't think the candles are actually loading like the price ladder is. So I'm having a little trouble reading that. So I'm getting red to green to green to red. That's kind of annoying. Yeah, the candles are not really going with the price. I don't know if that stall was something that I should be worried about. This is kind of stalling. Actually, today trading real money, that was stalling too. So that was very funny. 6-7. Let's see if it goes. The bid's not coming up. I'm gonna get out of there. High that candle is 84. I don't know. I don't know about this. This looks a little shaky. I don't know. I don't like it. Bought a little high. Oh God. The bid is falling hard. $0.01 win. That's kind of a pain in the ass, right? This is backside trading, guys. Take a stab at 602. That was a nice win. I'm going to take it. 17 cents. I don't know. I don't like it. The buyers are not coming in too strong. Take it. Actually, that's a nice bottoming tail. But a little too high. See if that holds. Nope. Well, buy around VWAP. See if it pops. 639 is the high. Let's go. It's gonna bust. Nice. Beautiful trade. Okay. I like that bottoming tail. This is what I like to kind of like hold on to. You know, let the sellers have their time, kind of. That's what I feel like I am getting a little better at recognizing. I don't feel like that break's gonna happen. Whoa. Okay. I buy around VWAP, man. See if he rebounds over 6. No, I don't like it. Ah, he did. If I had held a little longer. I'm going to hold this a little longer. I'm really well positioned here. Well, that was too much shaking. I'll take that. This is backside trading. Next candle. I don't like how it's pushed against VWAP. High 614. Let's go 613. The bid's not coming up. I don't like it. Lost a cent there. That's all right. Low 604, high 616. The low of the last candle 596. Let's see if he holds VWAP. Ah, that I didn't need that. He's battling VWAP big time. It's backside trading. I gotta slow down. One of my notes is if it's backside, slow down. You might go. You might go. Kind of added there because I feel like it's going to rebound. I'm at 617 and a half. If I see a bid at 18, I'm going to get rid of one at least. I think this might go. 628 is the high of that candle. I got a bail. Yeah, I'm going to slow down. This is backside trading big time. I don't like this. Buyers are losing this. Buy one more time around VWAP, see if he holds. $6.11. I'm out. Under $6. $5.99. Wow, this is a lot of pressure. 601. Let's go. I think you might go high. 615. Nice. Let's go. I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna rip. Good. That was a nice rip. That was a nice rip. I never rarely add. I don't know. This doesn't look good. I don't want to go from the premises that this stock moved that day that everything is going to work out, you know. Remove. That was a good level to mark. Low 11. I'm going to let it breathe. A lot of times I just want to jump on things because I feel like I'm going to miss out, but I'd rather miss out on the loss as well, you know. So this is got to be really careful here. Low of this candle 612, the formation of the next one coming soon. I don't know, this looks like a flush. Three candles, two more candles for formation of a 5 minute. It's 22. That bid's been eaten up. I don't like that 620 bid. That for some reason I feel like it's gonna fail. I don't know. $26. He might rip. He might just rip. 640. Let's go. He might just rip. I sell a big seller right here. Didn't like that. Big seller 630. Gotta watch that, you know. 5 minutes looking good. Woo! That was a bad loss right there. Oh man, what is that? $632. Let's see if he holds this. What's the bid? I'll take that 5-cent win. I think it's gonna go, guys. Ah, he went without me, huh? That was a little short pinch right there. This is very whippy. I don't know if I like this very much. Look, it's coming down. I don't know if I trust that rebound trade at all, actually. The spreads just got really, really big. Now it kind of tied up, but man, look, I don't know. I don't know if he's worth it. Feels flushy. It's a very big top and tail. That's the 5th candle for the 5 minute. I'm gonna wait. That looks a little funny. I think he might flush on us. I think people are waiting for the formation of the next candle. Let's see. 5 minute candle. Let's see if you go. I don't like it. Lost a cent, but I don't like it. Man, the bid is just not happening. I don't like this. This is not a very recognizable pattern. This is becoming bearish. I don't trust that bid on the VWAP right now. Also, I'm not going to trade too long. I'm at 270 right now. So I think that might go. Bid's not going with it at all. A lot of resistance. I don't know. A lot of resistance. 5 minutes time to look like shit now. Excuse me my French. Okay. Got a couple cents there. I always sell before the pop. That's a good looking candle. Previous support, previous resistance. See if the bid comes up a little. I might have to let go. Might go. Previous high is 37. I'm gonna let it rip for a second. I think you might go. Okay. I sold the range. I sold right at the range. I think I'm gonna size up. I don't recognize this pattern right now. This pattern is kind of hard to see. You know, this pattern is kind of hard to see. I don't know if I trust another dip. Thing that I like about me right now is that I am actually waiting instead of jumping into shit, you know? Four candles for the 5 minute is the one more candle we need for the 5 minutes. Seems to be something that makes me feel a little better when I buy the bottoming tail of the last candle and it pushes. And then this next candle is the first candle of a new 5 minute candle. That feels like is a good setup. So this looks flushy, but the good thing, the VWAP is right there. 611, 615 actually. Want to see a little bounce. If it goes back to the 20s, I'm in. I'm gonna go 17. I don't like it. I'm out. Yeah, this looks flushy as a motherfucker. Sorry for my French again. I'm so sorry. I gotta stop doing that. See if he bounces. Try to hold VWAP. Next candle. Bid's not coming up. Nice pop. Okay. 17, 617, 620. I don't know if this is going to resolve anything bigger, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. We have a red 5 minute candle. The opening of this candle is 30. So if this resolves to be a green candle, or me at least a flat doji at 30 in the next 20 seconds, I think is a good buy. The high of the candle is 29, so I'm going to leave it alone. It looks like it's going to give. Look how erratic this thing is. It just doesn't know what to do. I'm actually surprised that I'm up this much. Maybe I'm getting better, I don't know, but next candle. High 620. Let's see if it goes 620 again. Get a bit of 619. I'm going. See, it looks flushy, man. Can't buy this. Trying to catch a knife falling. Look, I knew it. Look how deep this is. Halt down. It's 560. See? I lost just 1 cent. I'm pretty lucky. Halt down is 565. I can't buy this right now. Let's see. As I buy it. Can't buy it right now, but then I buy it. It's a full size. I'm an idiot. 75. Yeah, I'm out. Halt down, 565. This is gonna halt down. 573. Wow, sellers are sanding it. It's too close to the halt level. 551 is the halt level. Lowest in the candle, previous candle's 565. You go, halt level 549. This should halt. Yeah. It's very good to have the halt level script by Thinkorswim. And I'll tell you what, I'm gonna leave that on the description as well. Why not? If you hang on here until this late in the trading session with someone that's not experienced, that cusses all the time, and is still learning how to trade this trade paper money, if you're still here, you deserve that script. It's the closest to being closest to the truth I ever had a script for halt up and halt down. It's amazing, actually. It's insane. Anything else better than that, you have to pay for it. So this is amazing. So what I'm not gonna trade this anymore. This talk is done. Okay. So it's super backside. I'm just gonna be very, very, very disciplined. I am 30 minutes into the session, so I'm gonna just watch, see if I can catch a rebound trade, but I'm gonna be very, 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 very careful. So it should be a 5 minute halt. So this was a 951. So 651. So 656. This should resume. So let me go 655, and then wait a little bit. 5 minutes, right? Okay, so this is ridiculous. I like to kind of usually back in the day I would trade like with candles like this, but this I feel like I lost perspective of what the stock is. So I really like to keep this a little bit more on the skinny tall side of things so I can see. So yeah, anyway, so I'm glad I didn't rush into here. This is bad. So yeah, that was a crack right there. See, that is still valid. Okay. Everything is very valid here. High 64. Should be resuming at any time soon. So $300. My daily goal is 600. My max loss is 300. Well, I don't know if I should keep my max loss at 300 because I'm playing like I have $30,000 in my account. That's the amount of money I'm gonna have above BZT. I'm gonna wait for that so I can go full size and trade freely. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna wait until 30 grand and I'm only gonna risk 1% of my account. People say it's okay to risk 2%, but I don't want to do that. I'm gonna give myself a cushion. So I have $5,000 as a cushion to don't fall on the PDT. And last time I did it with 26,000. I only had 1,000. Went too big. In 2 days I was on the PDT. That was the most frustrating thing ever. The clock's still ticking. So 5 minutes after this is 9:56. I don't know why it's still holding 9:57. So it should be maybe a 10-minute halt. But I don't want to do this. I'm going to pause this, okay? And then come back when it's back. Actually, no, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm just going to go like this and go one more minute. One more minute. You see, sometimes the demand is a little glitchy, so you won't, you won't like refresh the candles correctly. And then you're going to be waiting for it to resume, and then the price ladder will be going. But, anyway. So I'll leave the script in the description of the halt up and halt down for TOS. That works. That's the first time I tested this on demand, and it was right on point, man. The formula works, doesn't matter where. Doesn't seem to be. This might be a 10-minute one, so 10-minute would be 10:01. Yeah, 6:07:01. So I'm gonna wait one more minute. You guys can skip this if you want to. I have no choice because I don't want to forward too much and then miss, and then go too much and then see the future. I don't want to do that. So the lowest. This is a nice script too. The lowest, and the highest of the previous candle. So higher the candle here, 620. If you can see over here, right, like 620, and it tells you right here, previous candle high 620, previous candle low 565, which is right there. So that tells you right away. Look up. You don't have to like be coming back with your mouse on top to see. That's how I used to trade. I like this a lot, and this is a good thing to have, but on demand doesn't work because it doesn't sync with the market because you pause it and you go back in time. But a clock also that you can change to 5 minutes, whatever minute frame you're on. So I usually have a 1 minute here and then a 5 minute there. And this is called, I forgot what it's called, but it's called candle bar timer. Very self-explanatory. So this should be coming back in 10 seconds. Let's see. Let's see if it does. I don't know. I'm going to watch this just for the sake of, because I've been only trading for 30 minutes, 34 minutes. So this should come back here. I'm not going to do a halt resumption. One thing I don't have is that information. It's like where the price is going to resume. So I have no idea. I don't pay for anything like that. So not yet. I have to become profitable until I actually spend money on that type of stuff. So I still don't know when they're gonna resume. Man, this is a, I don't know, guys. Maybe this is like a glitch. Let's go. I'm gonna go to the future. I'm gonna go 3 minutes and oh, it is gone. Wow, resume lower. Let's see if he goes. Nice. I got a little win there. A little win. I'm over 300. That was a 37. Wow, I'm glad. 37. High discount of 42. Let's watch. Next halt down 483. Right here. I'm gonna wait, man. Actually, let me get right under here. See if he's gonna spring back up. A dip. High is 545. Ooh, he's testing the low, which is 525. He's trying to fight it back. I think I bought a little too high. Whoa, I think he's gonna go. Look at that bid. It's not budging. Hidden seller. I don't like that. See how it didn't budge? That's probably a hidden seller. I feel good that I took that. If it rips, whatever, dude. I like that bid. Let's see if he's gonna go. That was a bad fill. That was a bad fill. The sellers are taking it high. 544, 45. 10 seconds for the next candle. I like to keep an eye on when the next candle is gonna come up. 5 seconds for the next candle. This should be 545. High 542. Gotta observe this. The reason why I'm actually doing all right in front of you guys is because I'm waiting for the right setup. I used to be buy, sell, buy, sell. I used to see bid like that and buy it right away without, waiting for a confirmation, and that would kill me. There you go. I got to take small wins here and there, and we got to go. The high, the previous skin is 545. The other one is 547. So that's the one we want to break. And the low here is 525. I don't give a shit if I'm gonna miss the move by marking my levels. That's how I feel comfortable trading. Oh, that was a horrible fill. Let's see if he's gonna bounce. I didn't need to take that loss. I'm gonna stop. See, that's backside trading, man. This is bad. Okay, I don't care if it turns around. I'm gonna stop. So that's $300 for this time. Last time it was the same thing. So good, That makes me comfortable. Ooh, bottoming tail. See if it goes. Oh my God, I just got screwed. See, backside trading, man. Backside trading, dude. The bid is falling apart. I gotta just one more. I'm gonna go one more. That bottoming tail looks so good, and it didn't work. 529. Okay, this is it. See, gave my money back from backside trading. Good. Okay, let me leave it alone. That's like what, 20% off the top. That's it. I'm gonna call it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna leave this in the description below a lot of the stocks that you can go and find the date, find the ticker, and go train on demand if you like. And also, I'm gonna leave the script for the halt up and halt down levels, and you're gonna be amused of how actually well this works. Okay, green day, let's go. Peace.